तो ये जो झूठा प्रोपेगेंडा है ये सिर्फ उनके अपने डोमेस्टिक ऑडियंस के लिए तसल्लियाँ हैं, और ऐसा करना जो है वो इंडिया की मजबूरी भी है, क्योंकि मकबूजा कश्मीर में जो आज़ादी की तहरीक है वो एक बड़ी इफेक्टिव पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रगल में चेंज हो चुकी है, और इंडिया समझता है कि वो इसको किसी तरीके से दबा नहीं सकता। तो थ्रू यू आई वुड लाइक टू कम्युनिकेट टू देम दैट वी आर अ प्रोफेशनल आर्मी and a very responsible state. We cannot be reactive to your self-defeating claims. While our political, moral and diplomatic support continues and will continue for just struggle of our Kashmiri brothers, you cannot lure us into unprofessional undertakings to reinforce your beaten narrative of our physical interference in occupied Kashmir. The brave young Kashmiris are good enough for you, whom you could not suppress during the last 70 years, as the just struggle for their self-determination has gone into their DNA. And we are very confident कि अब किसी भी दहशतगर्द तंजीम का कोई ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पाकिस्तान में मौजूद नहीं है। इस तनाज़ुर में अमेरिका और अफगानिस्तान की तरफ से पाकिस्तान में दहशतगर्दी के ठिकाने मौजूद होने की अनफाउंडेड बातचीत जो है वो चलती रही, और हाल ही में अमेरिका की तरफ से धमकी अमेज बातचीत भी सुनी गई। हुकूमत पाकिस्तान और दफ्तर खारजा इस पे कौमी मौक़िफ़ बयान कर चुके हैं। आर्मी चीफ का भी इस सिलसिले में अमेरिकन और अफगान लीडरशिप से इंटरेक्शन हुआ, और जो हमारा कौमी मौक़िफ़ है वो उनको कन्वे किया गया। वी हैव बीन सेइंग दैट पाकिस्तान हैज़ फॉट ट्वाइस एंड इम्पोज्ड एंड इम्पोर्टेड वार इनसाइड पाकिस्तान। वी हैव सैक्रिफाइस्ड अ लॉट, वी हैव पेड ह्यूज प्राइस बोथ इन ब्लड एंड ट्रेयर। We have done enough and we cannot do any more for anyone. Whatever we are doing and shall do will only and only be done for Pakistan. We did not fight for money. आपने statement सुने कि जी we are giving money. The aid that we got through Coalition Support Fund, the title itself says that it was a money in support to support the coalition. So whatever money we got, that was reimbursement of the money that we spent to support the coalition inside Afghanistan. Had we not supported, Al-Qaeda wouldn't have been defeated by the US. US and Afghanistan authorities are well aware of this cooperation. The other element is blame for inaction against Haqqani network. That might have been relevant before Zarb-e-Azab. But when we launched Zarb-e-Azab in North Waziristan, we undertook indiscriminate operations against terrorists of all hue and color, including Haqqanis. So this claim that inaction against Haqqani network is no more valid. If there are any facilitators and abettors inside Pakistan, that can only be addressed if the 2.7 million Afghan refugees are sent back to Afghanistan. And for this, Afghanistan and United States, they have to create pull factors inside Afghanistan so that these Afghan refugees, they go back. We have been contributing and cooperating for peace inside Afghanistan, and we shall keep on doing this. No other country than Pakistan is interested in peace, for peace in Afghanistan, because we understand that peace in Afghanistan is essential for peace in Pakistan as well. United States needs to check the anti-Pakistan Indian role, not only from inside Afghanistan, but also through the enhanced and increased ceasefire violation along line of control and working boundary, so that we remain focused in our efforts for peace, not only in Pakistan but beyond the region.